Hi, this is Chris from Tyre Plus, and today we have a 2012 Ford Ranger XL single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5058. The shape runs from the 6th month 2011 through to the 12th month 2012. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 3 small dents, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. It's got an aftermarket Duratray alloy tray with all bolts and brackets. Right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-switch type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, bench seat type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack control panel, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Tyre Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.